I'm Mitch Painter.
I'm Matt Painter.
And we're the Cincinnati Property Twins.
That sounded lame.
Well, had you put more time into your script, you would have remembered that was my line.
Thanks, brother. Love you too.
We do love each other. So much so, we've been in business 20 years. It's a labor of love.
Don't overdo it. Here's the scoop. We buy Cincinnati properties that need work.
Yep, we buy them as is. You don't have to make repairs, paint, or even clean.
You also don't have to list your property with a realtor and show it 100 times, or pay a big fat broker commission. Tell them what we do for sellers looking to sell fast.
Because we have cash on hand, we don't need to get a mortgage. We can close and give you your money in 10 days.
We've done this before. In fact, Mitch and I have bought over 60 properties in the last year.
And we have a dedicated staff in Hyde Park ready to streamline the entire process for you.
Is this where I tell them about the irresistible offer?
Now you're getting the hang of it.
We'll give you a free ballpark estimate on your property in as little as 24 hours. Hope to hear from you soon.
Thanks for your time.